मोकामा के ऐतिहासिक कैथोलिक चर्च में प्रत्येक वर्ष की तरह इस वर्ष भी मां मरियम यात्रा महोत्सव का आयोजन किया गया। बता दें कि सुबह से ही बड़ी संख्या में भक्तों की भीड़ उमड़ पड़ी है माता मरियम की पूजा के लिए। चर्च परिसर में भक्तों की लंबी
JD1 साहब है ना
Hon'ble the Chief Justice, Hon'ble Mr. Chakradhari Sharan Singh, other Hon'ble Judges, Hon'ble Chairman Bihar State Human Rights Commission, officers of the Registry and members of the Bar. Good afternoon. May now seek the kind permission of my Lord Hon'ble the Chief Justice to begin today's proceedings on the momentous occasion of appointment of Hon'ble Mr. Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court.
The Chief Justice and other honorable judges of this court, President Sri Uma Shankar Ji, Layer Association, Sri Sanjay Singh, Senior Advocate, President Bar Association, Learned Advocate General, Sri P.K. Sahi, Senior Advocate, Learned Senior Counsel, Government of India and the Chairman Bihar State Bar Council, Sri Ramakant Sharma Ji, members of the registry, senior advocates, and my dear colleagues. We have assembled here to bid a farewell to our beloved Honorable Mr. Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh on his appointment as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court. Mr. Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh was born on 28th January 1963. He did his LLB from University of Delhi, enrolled as an advocate on 30th October 1990. On 18th September 2010, designated as senior advocate. Served as additional Advocate General, Government of Bihar. Assumed office of judge on 5/4/2012 and became permanent judge of Patna High Court on 2/3/2016. Honorable Mr. Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh was Patron-in-Chief of Bihar State Legal Service Authority from 6 February 2023 to 28 March 2023. He also holds the position of Patron-in-Chief of Bihar Judicial Academy. And presently he was officiating as Executive Chairman of Bihar State Legal Authority. As a chairman of Bihar State Legal Service Authority, he took initiatives to bring education to slums. In a heartening display of commitment to education and social change, Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh visited a slum area under the jurisdiction of Rupaspur PS, interacted with the dwellers and emphasized the significance of education. Your Lordship settled the various propositions of law. For few of them, Your Lordship hold Section 34 Subclause 2 of POCSO Act is mandatory, and Your Lordship was of the view and observed that the trial court is bound to determine the victim's age. Your Lordship also observed that victim's statement under 164 of CRPC can be used for corroboration, but cannot be sole basis for conviction. Your Lordship further also held that questions put to accused under Section 313 of the CRPC cannot be mere formality. Your Lordship was never in hurry for disposal of cases, rather always readily granted sufficient time to the council to meet the queries of your Lordship's court before final adjudication of a case for the ends of justice. Your Lordship bidding a farewell to Your Lordship is such a moment where we are filled up with joys, having smiles on our lips and tears in our eyes. Joyful and happiness because a Saput of Patna High Court has been appointed as the head of the judiciary for the state of Odisha, and tears in our eyes just to think that Your Lordship would go away from us. Be that it may, we are having a firm belief that the members of Bar of Patna High Court will certainly remain close to Your Lordship's chest. I, on my behalf and on behalf of Advocates Association, wish you a good health, happiness, and a remarkable tenure as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court. Thank you.
Advocate General Makan Sharma representing the Central Court. Our colleagues and members of the list. We are assembled here to give a farewell to Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, who has been newly elevated as Chief Justice of Odisha High Court. I fully endorse, adopt the views expressed by my friend Sharan Singh. In one and two lines, I can sum up it. That we have lost, we are missing, we are going to miss justice who was very much popular among us, especially among the young lawyers. Because the young lawyers are of the opinion that he goes thorough with each and every case, give his legal acumen up to the satisfaction of the law. Therefore, undoubtedly, we are going to miss a person like Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh. I, on my behalf, as well as on behalf of Lawyers Association, wish the grand success in his life and career. Thank you.
My Lord Chief Justice, my Lord Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, Honorable Judges, Honorable Mr. Justice A.M. Badr, Chairman, Bihar Human Rights Commission, who is among us, Mr. P.K. Shahi Ji, Learned Advocate General, Bihar, Shri Shailendra Kumar Singh Ji, President Advocate Association, Shri Uma Shankar Ji, President Lawyers Association, Shri Ramakant Sharma, Chairman, Bihar Bar Council, and today is filling up the shoes for Dr. K.N. Singh, Additional Solicitor General of India, Learned Registrar General and officers of the Registry, learned senior members of the bar, family and friends of Honorable Mr. Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, who are among us. My Lord, much awaited. My Lord Chakradhari Sharan Singh and alumni of the Campus Law Center, Delhi University, joined the bar on 30th of October 1990. My Lord made his mark as an advocate and was empaneled lawyer for many governmental and non-governmental organizations. He was appointed as Additional Advocate General, Government of Bihar in December 2010. My Lord was elevated as a judge of this court on 5/4/2012. My Lord is known for his judicial and administrative prowess. My Lord has penned over 1,000 judgments, which talks volumes about his judicial acumen. The bar acknowledges his administrative abilities when as acting Chief Justice of this court resolved issues and brought succor to the bar and to the litigants. A person of sharp intellect and bestowed with the gift of patience on the bench. My Lord is a friend of the younger members of the bar. You are principled and you are the epitome of integrity, honesty and virtues. My Lords, you are a beautiful person, and many of us are not only envious of your good looks, but are also enamored. But are also enamored by the beautiful heart, which is full of compassion and empathy for fellow human beings. My Lords, may you be blessed with good health and wisdom to shoulder the responsibility bestowed on you. The new mantra that is now being talked about, that is to rethink, reimagine and reform the legal system, I'm sure will be your mantra when you take over the august seat of the Chief Justice. The members of the Bar Association bid adieu to you and pray for your success in this and all the future responsibilities and assignments that come to you. Patna High Court takes pride in your elevation as Chief Justice of the High Court of Orissa. The Bar Association below is even more proud, for we add another name in the long list of Chief Justices that this association has given. And I'm sure another one will follow soon. Milos, I thank you.
Honorable Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, Honorable Judges of this Honorable Court, Justice A.M. Badr, former Judge and presently Chairman of Human Rights Commission, my friends Mr. Shailendra Kumar Singh, Mr. Uma Shankar Singh, Mr. Sanjay Singh, Mr. Ramakant Sharma, Senior Advocate and Chairman of Bihar State Bar Council, Registrar General of this Honorable Court. We have assembled here to bid adieu to Honorable Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh. I share the sentiments expressed by my colleagues. His elevation to the office of Chief Justice of Odisha High Court indeed infuses sense of pride amongst all of us. However, his departure from Patna High Court will certainly create a void, though it will be a gain for Odisha High Court. Justice Singh is a combo of an outstanding judge, gentleman to the core, and a beloved friend. Combination of these attributes are rare. His tenure, either as advocate or senior advocate or judge, will ever be remembered. While functioning as a judge of the High Court, he had written thousands of judgments which are reported, which covers almost all sphere of law. He has dealt with service matters, constitutional law. He has been equally deft in handling criminal cases, including criminal appeals. He is possessed of fine sense of appreciation of laws. His short tenure as acting Chief Justice of this court will also be remembered for his erudite judgments in tax laws as well. Justice Singh has been very concerned about infrastructure of district and subdivisional courts. More than anybody else. While he was holding the office of acting Chief Justice, he ensured that Gaya District Court gets additional land in the vicinity of existing courts so that adequate space is created for smooth functioning of Gaya District Court. He requested me to accompany, and I had the privilege of accompanying him in selecting the piece of land along with Justice Mohit Shah. We deliberated. Thereafter, he kept on pursuing the government. And ultimately, government succumbed because the land belonged to Animal Husbandry Department, which was not prepared to part with the possession. However, it is meticulous persuasion of Justice Singh that government has allocated land, and it will be a fitting tribute to him that infrastructure is developed expeditiously, so that the memory remains, my Lord, etched in everybody's memory. Not only about Gaya District Court, he was equally concerned about all district and subordinate courts, and kept on telling that infrastructure needs to be improved. My lords, Justice Singh, my lord, undoubtedly, being a perfect gentleman at the same time, he never tolerated any untoward behavior in the court proceeding. His judgments bear testament to the fact that it is not only adjudication of the issues, but transcends beyond an interest of people at large has been cornerstone of all his writings. He meant reform not only in judicial framework, but also overall reform in administrative machinery of the state. I, on behalf of the law officer, all law officers, and on my behalf, wish a very fruitful tenure as Chief Justice of Odisha High Court, and have no doubt that he will make significant contribution to the august institution of Odisha High Court.
Honorable the Chief Justice, Honorable Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, now elevated as Chief Justice Odisha High Court. Honorable Judges on Dais, Learned Advocate General, former Judge, Honorable Justice Badar Sahib, now Chairman Human Rights Commission, Sri Salinder Singh, President Advocate Association, Uma Shankar Singh, President Lawyer Association, Mr. Sanjay Singh, President Bar Association, all the colleagues present here, senior and other colleagues, registry officers of the registry, Today we gather with mixed emotion to bid farewell to a distinguished member of our community. Honorable Mr. Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, who has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court, while we feel a sense of loss, we also celebrate his well-deserved elevation to this esteemed position. During his tenure as the High Court judge here, Honorable Mr. Justice Singh has demonstrated unwavering dedication to the principles of justice, fairness, and the rule of law. He has left an indelible mark on our legal institution, earning the respect and admiration of peers, legal practitioners, and the public alike. As Honorable Mr. Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh takes on the new responsibility as the Chief Justice of Odisha High Court, we have no doubt that he will continue to uphold the highest standard of justice and lead with the same wisdom and integrity that have defined his career. While he may be leaving our immediate legal community, the impact of his contribution will undoubtedly endure as Mr. Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh embarks on this new chapter. Let us express our heartfelt gratitude for his service here and extend our warmest congratulations on this prestigious appointment. May Mr. Justice Singh continue to inspire and contribute to the legal landscape of Odisha High Court, and may his leadership bring further distinction to the judiciary. We wish him success, fulfillment, and continued excellence in his new and important role. I, on my behalf and on behalf of Councils for the Union of India, and also from the entire fraternity, the bar of the estate, as a chairman, I must congratulate, and we are happy which cannot explain. I am missing in my words. Thank you.
Honorable Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, Chief Justice Designate of the Odisha High Court, my esteemed colleagues on the bench, Shri P.K. Shai, Advocate General, Shri Ramakant Sharma, representing the Central Government and the Bihar Bar Council, Honorable Justice A.M. Badar, Chairman, Human Rights Commission, Shri Sanjay Singh, President, Bar Association, Shri Uma Shankar, President, Lawyers Association, Shri Shailendra Kumar Singh, President, Advocates Association, learned senior advocates, other members of the bar, members of the registry, Dr. Seema Singh, wife of Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, Shri Shubhang Samvatsar, son of Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh. Today, we have a joyous occasion indeed, but nonetheless tinged with melancholy. The state of Bihar, the Patna High Court and its legal fraternity beam with pride because one belonging to us and dear to us is designated as the Chief Justice of the Odisha High Court. There is a measure of poignance since the state loses an erudite judge, the High Court, his dynamic leadership, and his colleagues and contemporaries, a good friend and mentor. As for me, I am extremely happy for Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, though I am sad for myself, for I will be losing his support and guidance in administering this court, which for the last 10 months was invaluable. From day one, when we first met at the Raj Bhavan, I knew that Justice Singh is a person I could trust and rely upon. In my interaction with him, I found unmatched sensitivity and deep commitment to the Patna High Court, which nurtured him in his professional life. Justice Singh was my radar and anchor, ensuring that I was never left afloat without direction or moorings. Born on 21/1963 to late Baidehi Sharan Singh and Srimati Shanti Devi, Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh took his LLB degree from Campus Law Center, University of Delhi. He was called to the bar on 30/10/1990. He was appointed as Additional Standing Counsel, Central Government in 1998 and empaneled as counsel for the Patna High Court. He practiced on the constitutional and criminal side with equal dexterity and was also a trained mediator. He was appointed as a panel counsel for the Accountant General, State of Bihar. His illustrious career as an advocate reached fruition when he was designated as a senior advocate by the full court of Patna High Court on 18/9/2010. He was then appointed as Additional Advocate General of the Government of Bihar on 16/12/2010 and continued as such till his elevation as an additional judge with effect from 5/4/2012. He took oath as a permanent judge on 2/3/2016. Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh served as Acting Chief Justice of the Patna High Court between 6/2/2023 and 28/3/2023, in which short time he gave clear direction to the administration, which helped me to seamlessly carry it forward. Justice Chakradhari Singh was the chairman of many committees, and his contributions on the administrative side stand out for its excellence. A very steadying influence in the standing committee, he spoke with deep understanding of the judiciary, its officers, and their problems. Specific mention has to be made of the E-Committee, which under his chairmanship made major strides, achieving very many milestones in reaching targets and fulfilling the ambitions of a digitized and fully automated court. Again, as Executive Chairman of the Bihar State Legal Services Authority, he took it to heights not attained till now in providing assistance to the marginalized, ensuring rights of the children, gainfully employing the prisoners, and in its efforts to bring to the mainstream the members of the third gender. Notably, as of now, the State Legal Services Authority is manned completely by lady officers, an irony in terms, but a result of his clear vision. An irony in terms, but a result of his clear vision. On the judicial side, the law reports bear testimony of his sound legal acumen and good judicial cognition. His judgments display a blend of erudition, pragmatism, and empathy. Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh has disposed of around 27,000 cases in his time on the bench and has 200 reported cases to his credit. While bidding farewell to Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, one has to mention his family, who remain his anchor. His wife, Dr. Seema Singh, I am sure, played a major role in his life and career. The couple are blessed with two children, Dr. Soumya Singh, now working as Assistant Professor, Jindal Global University, Sonipat, and Sri Shubhang Samvatsar, a postgraduate student in economics at the Delhi School of Economics. With mixed emotions, on behalf of my sister and brother judges on the bench and myself, I bid farewell to Justice Chakradhari Sharan Singh, wishing well and expect to see the Orissa High Court in the limelight in his stewardship. The loss of the Patna High Court would be the gain of the High Court of Orissa. We would be keenly watching you, brother. Do us proud, and our prayers and best wishes are always with you. To conclude, let me assert, despite the farewell accorded, we do not part and we remain brothers for life.
Honorable Sri K. Vinod Chandran, the Chief Justice, Patna High Court, my esteemed brother judges, Mr. A.M. Badar, Chairman, State Human Rights Commission, Mr. P.K. Shahi, Learned Advocate General, Bihar, Mr. Ramakant Sharma, Chairman, State Bar Council, Mr. Shailendra Singh, President, Advocates Association, Mr. Uma Shankar Singh, President, Lawyers Association, Mr. Sanjay Singh, President, Bar Association, learned senior advocates, other members of the bar, Mr. P.K. Malik, learned Registrar General, members and staff of the registry, Ms. Silvi Soni Raj, the Member Secretary, Bihar State Legal Services Authority, if she is present here or has joined online, Madam Lata, my wife, Dr. Seema Singh, Dr. Soumya, who has joined online, my son Subhan Samvatsar, my revered mother and family members who too have joined online, ladies and gentlemen present here and those who have joined online. A very good afternoon to all of you. I am not only humbled by the words of accolades and appreciation extravagantly showered upon me by all of you. I find myself totally speechless. I have neither such
command over language, nor the vocabulary to summon fitting expressions to respond to your kind words. They'll, however, keep reverberating and resonating in my mind and ears for all times to come. However, I must share with you a secret about one good quality in me which has not been spoken and could not have been spoken. I am my own biggest, or you may call it, the worst critic. I know the best the inadequacies and deficiencies in me, be it of my capacity as a judge or general conduct or behavior as a person. I would usually either curse myself or take a vow to correct myself whenever I notice them, failing though most of the times. I must let you know, my dear friends, that every time I talked in the court proceedings in a loud voice, expressing my anguish, I reprimanded myself later in solitude. This is how I tender my unconditional, unqualified apologies to all of you today to begin with. I wish I control my emotions today, as I cannot withstand them, which you all know. For that, I am making a little digression while answering the reference to avoid them. Time flies is an idiom. Today, I can best understand its true meaning when I am sitting in front of you on this occasion after having spent more than 33 years in this institution. As if only few months ago, when I had joined the bar, a young, good-looking advocate. Today, I am the most elderly person. Brother Srivastav is the only exception. Sitting on this side of the bar, ready to listen to your goodbyes. I feel flabbergasted when I think that a huge chunk of the life in the units of time just slipped in between. Time moves slowly but passes quickly. To my young lawyer friends, it was my innate desire since long to have an intensive dialogue with you, with young, upcoming, bright young members of the bar. The bar of Patna High Court has distinguished itself from the rest and is known as one of the most disciplined, cooperative and supportive bar. It has excellent potential in terms of professional skill and understanding, and at the same time it has maintained a very high standards of professional conduct. I wanted to tell you, my young advocate friends, that you are not advocates because of the Advocates Act 1961. The profession of advocates is constitutionally recognized. The first article under Chapter 4 of the Constitution of India, which deals with Indian judiciary, that is Article 124 of the Constitution, lays down one of the essential qualifications for appointment as a judge of Supreme Court, and states has been for at least 10 years as an advocate of a High Court. Similarly, Article 272 of the Constitution prescribes one of the qualifications for appointment as a judge of the High Court as has for at least 10 years been an advocate of the High Court. The legal profession of an advocate is the only profession under the constitutional scheme which is a qualification to hold a constitutional position to discharge one of the sovereign duties of the state through the judiciary. This is the exalted position which all of you occupy under the Constitution. I am here because I was there. The Advocates Act simply regulates the legal profession. I also wanted to tell you that you should always bear in mind the vision of the architects of the Constitution about the profession of law. I wanted to tell you further that you are one of the strongest bodies of the Indian societies, having the potential to bring reforms. Furthermore, you should not confine your activities solely for earning your livelihood. Rather, you should be socially active and ready to extend your helping hands to the needy, deprived, and marginalized members of the society. I deeply thank the members of the bar for bearing with my shortcomings and extending me fullest cooperation whenever I need it. Honorable the Chief Justice, we were born in two different parts of this subcontinent to meet one day in our lives. This is how I consider your arrival as the Chief Justice and my opportunity to have worked with you. I adore your Lordship for your earnest belief in high values of life and truly practicing them without any exception. My brother judges have treated me always as an elder brother and have been unconditionally affectionate towards me. I thank them from the core of my heart. The members of the registry and staff of Patna High Court are, in my assessment, outstanding. It is not an off-the-cuff and casual comment. Rather, it is based on my practical experience when I had to deal with them directly for a very short span of time as the acting Chief Justice of this court. They are polite, humble, hardworking, honest, and above all, loyal to the institution. I thank them too. My all good wishes to them. The last but not the least, I must say that it is difficult for an advocate to succeed in a legal profession and for a judge to discharge his official obligations unless he or she has a supported family. I am blessed to have a supportive wife, affectionate children who have made me proud of their achievements in their respective fields. My success is blended with their sacrifices. It would be an impudence on my part to comment upon the contributions of my parents. I am what I am because of them. I fondly reminisce the emotional support of my brothers and their families when I was struggling in the profession in the initial years, which was a boon for me. My leaving of this institution is not severance of my ties with the institution. It is like separation of the umbilical cord for the baby to see the world beyond the mother's womb. With these words, I seek your leave to conclude reciting the first line of the most favorite bhajan of Mahatma Gandhi, written by Narsingh Mehta. वैष्णव जनते तेने कहिए जे पीड़ पराई जाने ने पर दुफे उपकार करे तो ये मन अभिमान ना आने दे। थैंक यू। जय हिंद। Sergeant.